In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively add an animated GIF to your presentation slides, giving them a dynamic and eye-catching background that captures your audience's attention right from the start. To begin, the first thing you need to do is select the slide you want to enhance with an animated GIF. It's a simple step but crucial, as it sets the stage for all your subsequent actions. Now, you might wonder if using the Change Background option is the way to go, but here's a little-known secret. This method doesn't consistently support animations. Instead, what you're going to do is insert your GIF as a regular image. This approach ensures that your animation works smoothly and as intended. Here's how you do that. You'll want to navigate to the Insert menu, then select Image. From there, you can upload your GIF in a variety of ways. Directly from your computer if you have it saved locally, or from Drive, Photos, or even a URL if it's stored online. This flexibility allows you to easily access your GIF no matter where you have it tucked away. Once you've got your GIF ready, it's time to resize and position it. The aim here is to achieve a full bleed effect, which means you'll be stretching the GIF so it spans from one edge of your slide to the other. This ensures that the animation covers the entire background, giving your slide a seamless and professional look. Following this, you'll want to adjust the layering of your GIF. A quick right-click on your image brings up a menu where you should select Order, then choose Send to Back. If necessary, repeat the action to send the GIF backward until all other slide content, like text boxes and images, resides above it. This layering step is crucial as it allows the viewer's focus to remain on your key points and visuals while still enjoying the lively backdrop. Finally, it's time to add the rest of your slide content. With your GIF situated in the background, you can now incorporate text boxes, additional images, charts, or any other elements that complement your presentation. The key here is to make sure these items are clearly visible and not overshadowed by the animation in the background. And there you have it. By following these straightforward steps, you can effortlessly add an animated GIF to your slides, transforming them into engaging visual stories. This technique not only makes your presentations more visually appealing, but it also helps maintain the audience's interest throughout. You're now ready to create slides that are both informative and memorable.